guys! Oh my god. We're gonna have dinner now and let me show you the food. We're having a lot of Filipino food, which is...
Spread mo.
Speakers, we have bangus and butterfly.
Butterfly tilapia.
Whoa!
My dad's favorite. Pork sinigang. Pork sinigang. Of course, with takis and sila.
And lastly, an Asian household staple, rice. Good morning, everybody. It's the next day. We have champorado for breakfast. And French toast.
Road is clear.
Reunited after 5 tries.
Alright, the side is clear.
First time I fell asleep. I don't know what the other times were. It rained and then it was so late. And you were like, now we're here.
You almost didn't go to this trip, so like,
I know.
do you want to see me?
Oh my gosh, how dramatic. We're going to Clean Beach now. Bye, see you there. All my upper sweat's gonna be seen in this video. Upper sweat, upper lip sweat.
Sula alert.
So we're actually literally out of power because the rain is really strong, and I just took a shower in the dark and I left my phone flashlight on and my laptop on to give me some light. Now I'm gonna get changed and then go outside and edit a video, even though my laptop is probably gonna die and I have no way of charging it. Love this! wasn't a lot of talking in this vlog. I definitely tried to just be in the moment and experience everything as it was, and because of that reason I didn't really talk to the camera a lot. But I'm really happy about this trip. I think that it was so peaceful and just replenishing for my energy and my soul, and I got to spend a lot of quality time with my family, which is just amazing and great as always. So yeah, now that's my little brother running across the hall. But now I'm just gonna get ready for bed and go to sleep. It's 10:20 and I'm just so exhausted and tired. Something about the beach or just like the sun in general really makes me so tired. So I'm just gonna change and go to bed and edit this video for you to see tomorrow. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. My fingers are stained from eating dragon fruit, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!